Do we wear an outfit?
No, we're just going in like that girl right there. Look here. We'll look like that girl right there.
Plane wreck. Why do we wear outfits then?
Weird. Well, it gets really cold. You get down to a certain level. You get down to 15 feet and it gets cold. You know what I'm saying? So that just keeps you kind of warm.
I want to investigate a plane wreck.
I'm going up to the room. Y'all stay down here. Y'all drive me nuts. No wonder I'm smoking. Y'all don't say nothing about my smoking. And what I'm going to say, me hanging around with y'all makes me smoke.
Oh, y'all.
I don't see any,
What is that?
guess what I
up
don't
there?
see in here?
What is this?
I'm
up
shocked.
there? We can go up there and look. What is
Up on
that?
the top?
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Sure.
My lizards. You don't see one lizard in here. You get through that door, you gotta sit down.
What do people do up here?
Oh, nobody's people.
Is it a door?
Oh, the butterfly, honey.
What?
I think she doesn't come out.
Here it comes. Oh, you already see the butterflies they got here.
Yeah.
Big butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. But I hadn't seen one gecko since I've
Oh,
been
look
here.
at honey. They're
look.
making.
Yeah.
Sand house.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you're to see what they make out here.
And then you took picture on that one.
Well, I got pictures. I think have you seen the last one I did? I took a picture of.
Maybe try and just took picture that one. The
Well, she
sun.
did, didn't you?
Yeah,
No,
it's
not
hard to
yet.
get.
Yeah.
Oh,
He'll be there tonight. He'll take donations.
Really?
yeah. Like,
They do a bunch of they do them all the
They're
time.
talented
Yeah,
around here.
yeah, very.
With the carving.
I mean, that's how they make their living. I mean, there's not, you know what I'm saying? If you don't work in the hotel industry, it's hard to get a job here. What's that up there? Oh, it's another lookout.
what?
Walk up here. Let's see. I'll let you know what it is.
I like this. It's cute.
Oh man. No tree obstruction up here.
Really?
Hello, mate. Hey, they need to put a band up here and play.
Or you just put the temporary, the artificial grass.
Or yeah, put grass up there.
Yeah, it's good.
It's kind of scary walking up here, Cheyenne. Know
It's
what you're doing?
scary.
I want to.
Huh?
I'm coming.
It's really scary.
Whatever.
There ain't no handrails.
Okay.
Okay, you got to balance perfectly.
Whatever. If you can do it.
Honey, I can do everything.
Oh, it's bare. It's oh. Oh wow. Look.
Your grass. You know, they know that shrubs and work. That's right. There's our work shack.
Oh.
No, there ain't any kids. It's not. I'm always saying, say, why don't they clean this shit up? It'd
What did she
be
say?
right beside a house. It'd be just where they throw their trash.
What did she say to that?
She said some of them are like that, just real trashy. Her dad's out there picks up every morning. He picks up leaves. They pick up leaves. I said I'd leave leaves on the ground.
Oh.
I thought they were picking up trash. Their house is pretty clean. If the storm tore it up. There's Jollibees. Jollibees! You want to eat at Jollibees? What do we normally eat at Jollibees? The hot dogs?
No, they have jolly hot dog, hamburgers,
Well, their hot dog was the best. I
spaghetti.
mean, that's what we normally ate.
What's that?
What?
The sounds.
I bought.
Oh,
I bought.
I thought it's
Outboard motor. It's not
Jet
them
ski?
Honda engines
The jet
that are
ski?
in the
Maybe-
small boats. Wait until you see the racing boats.
they
They're
have a
little.
jet ski.
They're little.
They have a jet ski there. Maybe Chinese.
Yeah. Let her go
I
on.
wanna do a jet ski eventually.
We need to do two.
Oh.
So we both go to an island or something.
Yeah.
Go to Devil's Island.
No, that's way out there. Where did he point? He said, what?
He said
over?
this way.
No, it ain't that far
Well,
up.
that's
It's
what he
probably
said.
over here.
He said.
Like here. That's where all the dolphins are and all that crap. And the turtles, swimming in with the turtles and all that, the coals, is really big right here.
Can we swim with the turtle?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I think we could make it. That guy with